Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about can. Can. There are many uses of can in English language. The first use of can is for showing out ability. Other use is for offering something. And now we are having possibilities. When we want to show any kind of possibility in a sentence, we use can. And we use can for request and permission as well. So let's go and talk about can briefly. The first use of can is as ability. So let's understand them by some examples. The first use of can is as ability. So here every sentence is showing ability of somebody or the capacity or capability of doing that work of somebody. Let's see our first example. I can speak 3 languages. She can play piano. He can run 5 kilometers in 20 minutes. Not everybody is capable of doing that work, but he can. He is capable of doing that. He is having a physical strength to do that. Now, Geeta can cook delicious food. You understand that? Now, another thing, I can solve complex mathematical problems. So these sentences are showing capacity or capability of somebody that he or she is able to do that. So now let's go ahead and talk the another use of can. Another use of can is as offer. So when we offer somebody something or any help, we can use a word can. Can I help you? I can send this letter for you. Can I assist you with any task? I can make some food for you. I can help you with maths. So another use of can is as possibility. When we want to make sentences that are showing possibility, we can use can. Here are some examples. Smoking can cause cancer. Not everybody who is smoking gets cancer, but some people get. So there is a possibility. If you smoke, you may get cancer. So smoking can cause cancer. It can get very hot during SARS. It is not sure it will be hot or not, but it can get. It can rain tomorrow. I'm not sure about it, but it can rain tomorrow. ChatGPT can potentially enhance productivity. We need to understand that ChatGPT is really helping us to improve our daily lifestyles, but many people are getting lazy because of it. So there is a possibility in it. So whenever you want to make sentences that are showing possibility, you may use can. So let's go and talk about another use of can. Here we are discussing about the last use of can. When we want to make sentences that are showing request or permission, we can use can for making those sentences. For an example, can you hand me the pencil? Here I'm requesting somebody to give me the pencil. Can I go to the park? Can I go to the park? It is a request of permission? Yes, you are right. We are asking permission from somebody. Now, can you lend me some dollars? Here again, I'm requesting somebody to help me by giving some dollars. Can he meet me, please? Again, here it is a request. Can I use a phone? Again, it is a request. So, when you want to make sentences showing request or permission, you can use can. But I would like to mention one thing at the last. Using can, making sentences of request or permission, it is so formal. It is so formal. You need to understand. It is so formal. So here we have discussed about uses of can. So I'm dropping exercise at the last of the video. Please do that and comment below your answers. Thank you very much.